Good morning, this is Linda. Today I'm going to be cleaning up some of this mess in here. Get cooled down. Come to say hi. I love you, baby. Tape on there. We haven't got the pipe strapped down yet, and so it's pushed up kind of high, and until we get that pipe strapped in place, I won't be able to get the toilet flange in, but I cut off enough that I know it won't fit. So, because it nearly fit perfect before. It was just high on one spot. But I have to put tape around it because I don't want any insects or critters coming around. And I'm going to go ahead and caulk this back wall and this side wall here so that it's basically sealed off. this place where the hot water heater is and all the plumbing area. I'm not going to be painting that wall because there is going to be a closet there. I'm going to be framing in a closet, and none of that will show. So that's an easy tankless water heater, propane. And what I did with it is I vented it so it would go outside, because it is an outdoor water heater, and they said it was indoor, outdoor when we got it, but it obviously wasn't indoor, and so I went ahead and vented it to the outside so that it's safe. Plus there's a carbon monoxide detector in here as well. And I may get a the gas meter that we used to have one. It measures when propane is too high. So I just wanted to touch that up so it would look clean and or cleaner, so it wouldn't look so scary when you open the closet door. I've taken down this sheet of paneling, and I cut it to fit so that it would fit on the other side of this little portable shower, because I want the shower to look like it's not portable, and I don't like the industrial look of it. So I framed out a little wall out of 1x1s or 2x2s. Anyway, and frame that out, and I'm going to put the paneling on that. I have this wall up, and what I'm going to do is head to the lumber store and get a 1x6 to go here, or 1x8, and one to go over on this side as well. So I'll put some framing up there before I go, and probably something across the top. I can't film in here very easily because it's so small. So I'm just going to show you when it's finished. Just thought I'd take a break before we continue on in the cabin. Oh, let's go check out the puppies. What are you guys doing? How come you're all over here? They're all walking around and getting out. We're keeping that little guy there. I don't have a name for him yet. And we're keeping... Where'd she go? Trying to drink water. You guys made a mess of your water. Lucy's still nursing them. They'll be 4 weeks old on Saturday. And they are eating some puppy food. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. And yeah, I don't have any homes for some of these guys yet. So I'm still looking. And they're able to escape now. Came out early this morning, and 3 of them were out here. So they're just adorable. That's the situation with the puppies. I'm out here painting this wall just to the center for right now. I've got a lot of things going on in here. I'm ADHD, I'm sure, because I can't stay on one project. I have to keep switching up, and it drives me nuts. So anyway, I decided to start painting this wall here. We're painting it a light grayish color. And then I'm repainting these walls white. So that's just going to be the accent wall. And once I have more space, I'll film the painting as well. I also have put up, I'm reluctant to film in here because the space is so tight and I don't have any room for a camera on a tripod very well. But I do have a sheet of paneling up on this wall. I have to change out the little, anyway, so I got to change that out, and I have another one that I'm going to be installing there, but I'm trying to get everything painted in here except for where the bench is going to go, or because I'm putting a bench in, so I want it all painted before I put the bench and the closet in. It'll just make it easier for me. And I want the bathroom sink installed as well before I put the closet in. So it's just a process. I do have this wall painted, and I'm starting to paint the ceiling as well. Like I said, I have to skip around and do projects. It gets done, but I can't stay on one project too long. I get too bored. So anyway, that's the progress in there. I'm going to be painting that and caulking that. The caulking is just incredibly slow. I have caulked that entire wall over to the ceiling, as you can see. It takes so much caulking, and I have caulked this one. I've gone through 15 tubes of caulking because these gaps are just so huge, and you can see up there the gap there, and it's a jointed ceiling up there just like it is in the bathroom. I'm going to put a piece of trim board there and then caulk it so that I get a tighter seal. But boy, the caulking is just tedious and long, time consuming, and you can see in here I have absolutely no room. We got the toilet now. We have this other sheet of paneling, the board I'm going to be using for the bench, which was the shelf, the furniture that was in here. Can't set it out. It was storming. So I'm trying to do this all in this tight little quarters. But at one time, I mean, we did paint in here. We just didn't caulk everything. I wish we would have. But everything was like the ceiling in the kitchen. The whole cabin was all wood, and it was stained, had a lot of staining. I'm finding that staining is coming through on all the paint, even with primer. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a cabin. I'm not going to keep adding money to it, or I'd go get some Kills and put it on. But like I said, by the time, right now, with the toilet, with all the plumbing, the cabinets, everything, we had most of the stuff that we needed to do this cabin. And it's only cost $1,357 as of now. And that's almost everything I'll need, except for like a cooktop or something like that, appliances. But yeah. And the kitchen was from scratch. And the bathroom had no toilet. I'm going to try to use the tankless water heater. I hope it didn't freeze during the winter time. I don't think it did, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's the situation. And I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to turn out. Hope you are.